No bleaching, no Christmas. Hi, I'm Ray. Downtown well stocked for the holidays. ER in parade to get a sense of the season. But vendors venting about the impact tough security measures are having on their livelihoods.
You're over your side of the hotspot. Yes, we have munging. We have munging. Yes, over your side of the hotspot.
$100, $200. Lady, you can't check me out. You can't see me in real life. I will pay to see me.
Downtown apparently bustling in the weeks before Christmas. It's heaving, hustling in your face. So why are vendors in such a bad mood?
Like Andrew always have to go send somebody down here to come buy from with nothing downtown now go on with nothing.
We have the Santa Claus. Them say Santa Claus that come, no Santa Claus.
Right now the China take over the whole of the thing. I understand me, so we are sell, we buy from the China and we can't sell back because China them are sell the same thing like we.
Goods are plenty, but are there really so few takers?
Because them here look nice. No. And them here wearing a brand them here, you know. And I now say, see all more wrap up in the bag here, so nothing now sell, no. I don't have no money in my bag empty.
Maybe early days yet. This vendor, though, says otherwise.
Jesus Christ, looking at the hotel, you know, it's normal them time, yeah. The people them come by them sheet and curtain, no? And them something, they move them, and the man says nothing there, nobody now buy nothing. And where the money there? Look like it don't have petrol jam, don't have the high place, it buy the cake.
Come Christmas and everyone banking on a slice of the cake. Only now, many wondering when.
Me have survival, I'm a fighter. I don't really get nothing from nobody, you know. Must have to sell for what I want. So I bring in the people them in a town, I make the people them come by. And that's it, I make my Christmas merry.
Her worries echoed by others.
I feel the money are circling in the China shop them. I don't feel we as a small vendor them are getting the money.
British offering cosmetics, normally hot sellers. Not today.
I want a piece of the picture jam cake. I want people, customer come and I get money. Can make some tip. Look in the OC, look how in the OC dead. Yet this Christmas.
Even so-called Christmas sellers missing.
Beside me, there's a wholesale selling these shirts for $200. It's about 3 weeks now. He has a pile there and it's not getting any further. Generally this time, we notice that we have some people unemployed. But when come out in the holiday, we look at Christmas, we call them Christmas sellers. We haven't seen them so far.
The authorities pulling the plug on bleaching or late night vending, deeply unpopular.
Christmas is Tuesday, we start from the Saturday night. We do wears will be on the sidewalk, we just cover them down, some of us so sleep with it. So we don't pay that extra money for that time. They say we can't stay. Generally on a Christmas Eve night, like the 25th, 24th of December, we'll be here until day because some little pickings going on through night. Some people don't like the rush, them come late in the evening. Nothing him say this year.
Tell us I'm grateful and gifted. Big chick, foreign, bus park, you hear that? Don't come in at 18,000 feet, just a come from far. Look, the evening you get you. You hear that? The latest. Don't feel like a joke.
People want to feel secure, but they also resent being ordered off the streets at night.
Bleaching are going before me and them born. Them can't stop that. It's a tradition that in a town. You see it bleach go straight back till January.
Well, look like I do business right now, so.
Yeah, because it's there, but we have night customers who come at night time and want to do them here and them nails. And we can't do it.
More questions than answers in the lead up to Christmas.
All rent I go pay, all the food I go come in, all the school fee I go pay and the books them, the extra lesson class, all I go.
The security forces keeping a lid on trouble, but vendors not immune.
Me as a youth, I never live a gun in my life yet. I sell him, I know about. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, I feel threatened. Soldier come deal with my life. Me is nobody. I don't see nobody come down here, come look what I go on with me, you know. All them a deal with me, and kick our foot away, you know. I put you in a car for work for 2 hours. In a hot sun, I dehydrate you out. Prime Minister, you'll never know this because you grew up in a rich home.
Me, as I still I feel afraid some of the time. We see 20 soldiers pass. Be a long gun, be a man in a van. It don't look good. Government, we want the street. And if we don't get the street, why? Because poor people have to eat. Teddy bear, 100 go up to 2,000.
This man selling teddy bears, but making even less sense than dollars.
Jamaica woman, they not no money. They don't want a man who have no money if you take care of them. You get to me, I say.
So this a Christmas, you come like a worse Christmas for woman them. Because woman them no want a man who can help them. You get to me and say big woman them a be a young boy they want, and the young girl then walk list. They want be a little young boy we can't give them nothing and sit down on the roadside. Me we a juggle little teddy bear and sit there no want me we can give them one little thing a weekend time and then sit there. So Christmas happy good on.
Things tight downtown, no doubt about it.
The people them now no money that. Me say me a sell a ties $100 feel how it thick and they can't find 2 bills $100 to buy. Where government a dig try find money put in our people in pocket can't do the road.
Everyone hoping things will pick up.
A Christmas, you know, and a God's birthday, Jesus' birthday, so something I forgot on.
Remember, we put you in, and we can easy well take you out. Just forget about we and we say for no forget about you.
We need help. We need help.
Don't a ton.
We have all pressure. Pressure.
From seat, she want to sit down. Pay which fear, and she's so brown.
From dancehall designer to in-demand manager and sharp businessman, Romish on a roll.
Riding high, Romish first in the clothing business.
I made links and it made money. Bounty Killer never go on a show unless he have a bad jacket from Romish wear. Movada was the same, Busy Signal, Ding Dong, TOK, every single big name you can call in dancehall. I made an outfit for them. Spice, everybody.
Then dabbled in artist management. Got out, but changed his mind.
Honestly, all of this is because of Ding. I was about to close down my studio, and then he was like, yo, we utilize it. Don't throw it away like that. To get a good studio, it's hard. So I followed him because music is my first love.
And then came Shensia.
She blasted out something on our WhatsApp and I said, yo, this girl really sounds different as well as she have an image. Because in the world that we live, it's not all about talent only. It's talent, business, and image. Fine, after that, I bash her instantly. I say, yo, you're really pretty, you're not ready for this. When somebody bash you and tell you you're negative, you're supposed to go and fix that and come back with a positive. She did that. The song was bad, the song was jiggle jiggle.
Jiggle jiggle, my body a jiggle jiggle. Make a bend and I ride it like a bicycle.
No more talk of ditching dancehall after that. But in addition to Ding Dong and Shensia, Romish also corralling current frontrunner TJ.
Bubble your body for the up top boss.
I watched TJ for 2 years ago. And I thought it was the right time now. And I said to him, yo, you ready? And he was like, yes. I have to build everybody that's around me. Every single person.
What did you bring to Ding Dong that he's benefiting from now?
Structure, corporate, and the thing with the greatness with Ding Dong is that Ding Dong listens. He doesn't act like he knows everything. He listens because at the end of the day, you are a street person that comes and you love dancehall and you're talking now to someone that master corporate. So it's both business, corporate, and street. You cannot beat that.
And it has been your experience that a lot of people don't listen. They know it already.
Especially the dancehall people, they don't listen.
Why?
I don't know. It's like if you tell them they think you're bashing them.
It's a defensive ego thing.
Yes,
what is it?
Yeah, every artist have an ego, but in dancehall, I feel say just extra.
So what do you use to get your message through?
Basically, if you're a person that I cannot reason with and cannot talk to and I don't see changes, I can't manage you.
A raft of new names finding dancehall form in 2018.
The bigger artists, them, some step back and some couldn't find the song. And my opinion is that the young talents got out. You have Governor, will get out. You have Raggin, you have TJ, you have Squash. You have so much artists that got out this year. You have Jada Kingdom. There's like, the list goes on.
But says Pat Mesquino of Billboard, dancehall not thriving internationally. And says Hot 97's Bobby Condas, dancehall scaled back due to lack of advertising interest and declining radio listenership.
My guys and girls that I am managing are doing very well. They're on all the charts. They're totally booked out. So I wouldn't say my artists. I think really the issue is the big names are not working together, so we are not moving as dancehall as a powerhouse. The entire world is using our music, our phrases in dancehall and reggae and hitting with it, so why we are not hitting with it? We at Jamaica are in the Caribbean, we all can go so far. Without that big label and that stream and that pipeline, we cannot go international. There's nowhere.
But you have to be disciplined and professional, and a lot of people in this business aren't.
Exactly. A lot of the artists, that's the beauty with it. When I met TJ said to me, say, yo, I have my song there, I have everything, I just need structure to my career.
But and TJ said, what Sean Paul are going to do?
What Sean Paul are going to do?
Well, what Sean Paul can say is that I've already done it. I'm the biggest dancehall star in the world.
That is true.
And I'm the one who's collaborating with people who are being seen by millions of people.
And that is true.
You aspire to get to what I am doing right now. So there's some lessons to be learned from him.
Yeah, but he was talking about the stage show performance. Sean Paul is one of the best artists dancehall has seen, and he has done it. But at the same time, TJ was talking about a stage show performance.
Well, he's talking about ramming a venue in Jamaica.
No, but nothing is wrong with that. And I've seen it over and over. And again, we come back to this. The big artists have gone from their country and forget about their culture. And then they come back when they feel like, all right, it's time to take over my culture. Dancehall no work, so. While you're crossing over and doing those big songs, you better do your dancehall song as well, because I can tell you this. Just like how Jamaica is with other brands of products, we are totally different from the world. You try to stay focused on Jamaica, if you're a crossover and you're the biggest person. You could be a Rihanna or a Jay-Z. Still do your dancehall, because if you dash your dancehall people are going to dash away too. And you can't just go so and come back.
Another bee in his bonnet, the big names too quiet and too much at odds with each other.
If Popcorn and Alkaline did release some song once a month as the big names in a dancehall, the music would have nicer. If I do another drop more song every month too, come on, these are the big guns. These are the people when they talk about dancehall, them name have to come out. Them are the baddest in a dancehall. We need more music from them, and we need them to help structure the artists them. If dancehall is bigger, it will be better. If we combine together to do something together, it will be bigger and better. Look at it. Back in the days, when Beanie Man and Bunty used to have them feud, them come on the same rhythm, right? Cartel and Vada do it with TG and Chrome and Steve. Now, we can't get Alkaline and Popcorn on a rhythm. We can't get I Don't and Massacre on a rhythm. Why? We want to hear a rhythm with the four of them on it, and we jump up and broke champagne and laugh and say, yeah, Jesus Christ, our nicest Christmas this.
So dancehall is shooting itself in its own
Exactly.
foot.
Everybody at all them own doing now. Alkaline are doing good music and I do him for do because he has his fan base. Same thing with Popcorn, and Popcorn is like the nearest thing to an international artist when you come to a dancehall artist. He's doing it. But me still feel safe if they go harder and can do better.
So what? It's about people who refuse to grow?
Them just relax. I think they're just too comfortable in it. The hunger not there.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot.
She alluded to it, but Romish confirming that a major label deal for Shenseea is imminent.
I have gotten more than 5 offers with some proper figure, but I am a person like that. I am not going to sign my artists away for money. I want to see structure.
And you want to have some level of control, was what she said?
I have to have a control in it. Any way you take it, any agreement.
And having that control, what's paramount for you to ensure that is in your hands?
If I am to go to a label right now and say we're doing an agreement, simple agreement. I will control Jamaica and the Caribbean as the A&R, you can control the world. Simple, because at least I know if they fail, my artists will still be hot in their home and in the Caribbean, and we still can live. Because at the end of the day, yeah, album and this and that, but the artists make them real money off shows. And you have to be hot in your hometown for the world to see it, and you will continue getting shows. But if you want to cross and go over to that barrier where you reach international market, you have to have a label, you have to have structure, you have to have some serious money behind it. Talent and looks alone now gonna work right there. So that is where the money come in.
Why the constant speculation, you think, in social media land about you and Shenseea?
You know, it's always good to keep people talking. Once they're talking, that's good for the artists and the management.
So to some extent, you're exploiting that, and you're also encouraging people to think what they like.
Yeah, you're free to think what you like. I'm a okay looking guy, and Shenseea's a beautiful lady. We work a lot together. You can assume what you want. My personal life or her personal life has nothing to do with Shenseea the artist or Romish Entertainment.
What qualifies you to represent dancehall talent?
Well, I know to market persons, I know to market sales. Remember again, you know, you have known and seen this in the world. Some of the biggest songs has been international, has been some song that, to me, the beats are good, but the lyrics are crap. Put it this way, I have to listen to the song as a producer, I have to listen to the song as a manager, and I listen to the song as a person. If I can't listen to the song in those three ways and moods and like the song, the song then I'm gonna win.
So do you want to be the big guy, the top dog manager in Jamaica when it comes to dancehall, the name that everybody goes to if you want to deal with Jamaican dancehall talent?
What you trying to say? You want me to be a DJ Khaled?
But is there an absence of somebody like that in Jamaica, and is that the gap that you're trying to fill?
I am a team player, right? And I am just looking to make I love dancehall. I want to make dancehall upliftment. I am doing this, yes, to feed my family and friends, but at the same time, I just want the best for my team and dancehall, because put it this way, I have a huge team. When I turn on the radio and I can listen to a radio segment of dancehall for half an hour and I can hear 3-4 songs from my artists, trust me, no matter how bad my day is, non-stop smiling.
But you think there's this huge lack of solid management with vision in Jamaica?
Not think, I know. And it's not only Jamaica, in the Caribbean. I'll talk about the Caribbean.
And the artists know it too?
Enough of the artists, them know it. Listen, I've gotten countless calls and DMs from some of the biggest names.
How are you, man?
We'll leave it there. Romish with an outsized ego, but also guiding the careers of some of dancehall's hottest names, and working with corporate to stage Magnum Explosion December 14 at Melbourne Cricket Club in Kingston. Fans yet to see him,